Hello and welcome to A VO's Journey. My name is Anthony Pica. This show is all about helping the new and upcoming voiceover artists grow their business and sidestep all of the crazy things that I seem to step on. All right, so today's episode, we're going to be doing kind of a part 2 to yesterday's episode on how to show emotion in voiceover. And today's method revolves around the lead-in. So one of the cool things about voice acting, right, and recording is that we can edit our work and we can re-record and we can do all kinds of things that you can't do in a live setting. So the lead-in is this technique in which you begin, before you start recording the script, you begin to improv, all right? Improv, improv a series of talking points that you come up with based around your script, but trying to find the emotion while you're just talking before you actually go into the script. So a perfect example would be if I needed to find a voice that is a voiceover that's upbeat, that is a little bit faster, excited about a product, all right, and I have the script in front of me, what I could do is I could hit the record button and I could literally begin to do some improving to get myself upbeat, and then when I feel it, when I feel like I'm ready, I can go into the script right after, right as I'm, finished doing in my improv. So let's say the script is, welcome to, welcome to the newer Hightail Mall. Where everything is 50% off. Let's try that. All right. So what I'm going to do is that needs to be upbeat. It needs to be excited. So I'm going to go ahead and start improving. So I can be like, hey, this is great. I'm so excited about this opportunity. I'm going to share about this new mall. I'm so excited. And I'm going to just dive right into the piece. Welcome to the new Hightail Mall where everything is 50% off. Okay, so I was just making up the script too, but that's what we call a lead-in, okay, where we're leading into your script by putting yourself in that mood, by improving, being, whatever that emotion is and trying to find it, right? So if I started by saying, okay, this is exciting. We're moving, they've got 50% off at this mall, and then you go into it. Well, you're going to have that sort of attitude. So if it was more of a serious tone, right? Let's try that. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start to be more serious. All right. This hotel is putting together something really incredible. They're putting together this 50% off sale. At the newer I said hotel, but it's not a hotel. It's actually a mall. The newer mall is offering, I don't even know the script because we're making it up, but so here we go, getting back in that mood. All right, and as if I started reading the script, the newer mall is opening for the first time, 50% off everything. Okay, so do you know, I don't have a script in front of me to actually read it, but the idea with the lead-in is that you try to find the emotion that you have attached to the message you are relaying. So the process would be, first you have to attach an emotion, okay? So you get your script, read it, you have to make an acting decision. A lot of times you get directions, but a lot of times we don't. So you've got to make an acting decision, okay? And you decide that this piece, when I read it, it makes me feel, empowered or maybe inspiring. All right, it makes me feel inspired. So you attach an adjective, you attach a feeling to it. From that, then we get ourselves ready to record, hit the record button, and begin to improv to try to find. So basically what you're doing with that improv part, and if you don't know what improvisation is, basically it's a technique in which we make up words on the spot. All right, we make up sentences, we make up phrases, we make up things on the spot, and it can revolve around a topic. Okay, but improvisation is, coming up with we're in this case coming up with words, sentences on the spot, and we're trying to find that emotion, that feel that emotion by the way we're speaking while we are improving. And then when we feel like we are in that place, we lead right into our script so that it's not just a cold read. Because when you start a script, we're always like, you got to worry about your breath. Like, okay, some people are like, and then you start going, or there's the blowout method where you blow everything out. Take a quick breath and start. But usually, usually it's always you start with the first word. But the lead-in really helps you and get that emotion feeling right off the bat. A lot of this also can be attributed or can come from this method about also like stage acting, right? Where you're on stage, like let's say you have to make an entrance. So a lot of actors or even actors who are just starting out, they'll wait on the wings, and then when it's time to go in, they're standing still, they walk in, right? Like they're entering. Whereas if you think about it, that's not how that would normally be. You'd be walking up somewhere before you enter, right? You might pause a minute to open the door, but you're getting yourself into that place. So it helps to actually walk as if you're walking on to that place. Now, it doesn't always spaces don't always allow you to do that, but the point I'm trying to make is that you are getting yourself warmed up in a way before you jump into relaying an emotion or a feeling or a message through the words that you're saying. Okay? One more tip, make sure you delete the lead-in part before you send the audition or before you send the final job to your client so that they're like, what is going on with this person? All right, so that's the lead-in technique. I hope it helps. We're going to come back with another part 3 to this as well, to where we have some other things that you can do to generate some emotions in your voiceovers. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I will talk to you later. Have a good day. Bye.